As Term 2 is now nearly at an end, how has it been when compared with Term 1?
In many ways it's been more demanding, so we've had two major exercises. We've had an increase in the amount of physical training we've been doing and also the amount of academics.
So the exercises then, how have they been during this term?
Very demanding. Both exercises were very long days. The first exercise, Mill Aid, is assisting the civil authorities in times of need, which was really rewarding because it followed a scenario, but at the same time we were getting minimal sleep, we were working unusual hours, but the whole squadron pulled together and I think we had a good result out of it. Similarly with Op Macronus Blade, which was the test of leadership, is in Term 2. They were very long 18-hour days, operating into strange sleep shifts. But ultimately all the cadets of B Squadron were successful, so something's got to be said for the leadership training we've had so far.
Okay, you mentioned the academics and also the physical training, and you say that it's intensified during the term. How has this manifested itself?
Well, certainly from the academic side, we've had the Air Power Studies 2 exam, which is quite a high-level exam for air power studies that we encounter. And we've had a lot of air power lectures to take in on quite in-depth subjects. And then also we've had the Bandar assessed essay, which is an essay that's a contest. But it requires a lot of research and reading outside of the work hours. And the physical side, we've had two inter-squadron games. Thankfully we managed to beat the junior squadron comprehensively and also restore some pride and beat the senior squadron. And there's just been a lot more physical training sessions, so Term 1 was about building up the standards and Term 2 is all about developing that further.
In summary then, it sounds as though it's been a really tough and busy term for you. So how have you managed to find the time to unwind?
Well, it's not all been work, there's been some play as well. So we had the Partners Day where partners got to come to the mess, meet our colleagues and our staff and see what life is like in a mess in the RAF and officers' mess. We also had a day out the high ropes, which was quite scary in parts, but the whole squadron had a great time and I thought we pushed our boundaries a little bit. And we also had an amazing trip to Battle of Britain Memorial Flight over at RAF Coningsby, where we had a look around the aircraft. We got to go on board a few of the aircraft and also look in the cockpits and look at the gauges, which was excellent.